Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to make a helpful charcoal grill fire starter. Now, yes, you can buy matchlight charcoal, and that does really well. However, if you don't want to pay for matchlight charcoal and you have a hard time getting your grill going, especially for the Labor Day weekend that is coming up soon, you can make this gadget that will help your grill and your charcoal get started easier and much better. What you will need is a soda can cut off evenly, about an inch of the soda can at the bottom, and inside take inch strips of corrugated cardboard and align it all the way around with corrugated cardboard. At the top, take corrugated cardboard, make 4 fuses, and pour candle wax over the top of all of the corrugated cardboard. Put it in with your charcoal. Take a lighter, light it, and it will burn for a long time. Help your charcoal get started and help your family get together for Labor Day or other holidays get done much quicker than trying to fight with lighter fluid and all the other crap that you got to go through sometimes just to get your charcoal to burn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.